Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. We started our day with the boat trip and ended up with scenic trail. So stay tuned and let's begin with the boat trip. There are many options for the boat trip, but we chose 1 hour tour of Promenade Coteo. Please check description box for the details. In this trip, we saw the magical views and grandiose villas of famous celebrities situated in Ville-sur-Mer. The staff was friendly and facilitated English translation for the tourists. After the boat trip, we took bus 15 from Boyer and got down at Porte de Saint-Jean and walked towards Plage des Passibles, where we started the hike to Lighthouse. The blue Mediterranean on the right and lush green on the other side makes this walking trail utterly special. I would recommend spending time at the natural coves and swimming in the turquoise water, followed by soaking in the sun. This lighthouse was destroyed during Second World War before being rebuilt in 1951. It will take roughly around 2 hours to complete this loop of lighthouse.